The Central Bank of Swaziland has informed members of the public that the South African 200 rand note is still legal tender in the country. This follows reports that some businesses have difficulty in accepting the note. We have a report.
Some businesses in the kingdom have the habit of not accepting the 200 note tender from South Africa. This tender we're talking about is the Big 5 series. We talked to Zitulele Gina, who is the head of strategy and communications in the central bank, who said the 200 note tender is a legal tender in Swaziland.
The notes are legal tender in Swaziland. So I would like to assure the nation, based on the concerns that we have had from the public, that some businesses are no longer taking or accepting the 200 rand note. And want to confirm and assure the nation that the R200 is still legal tender. It's still in circulation, and anyone in possession of that note does so lawfully.
Currency manager in the central bank, Zodwa Ngambule, gave us some background about the legal tender.
In 2010, the Reserve Bank had an experience with the release of the 200 rands. It was actually counterfeited, and then they recalled all those denominations immediately before the release of all the notes that they have printed. So during the recall, they specified a deadline, which was 31st May, to be recalling all the R200 that have been released. And ever since then, they then strengthened the security features within the R200. They didn't change the design of the notes. So it continued into circulation. And I think that is what created the confusion within the public, that the communication to say the issue has been resolved didn't go well, especially in Swaziland. But in South Africa, there's R200 rands, they circulate. There are no problems. They have no problems with the circulation of the R200, the Big 5 series.
Kangezile Mkonta is the production accountant in the central bank. She gave us features to look for when using the money.
The denomination 200 changes color. The Big 5, it changes from a dark pink to lighter. Whereas on the Mandela series, there's a rolling bar, which is a little bit gold. When you tilt the note towards you, the line goes the other side. When you tilt the note to the other side, the line goes reverse. And when you hold the note against the light, you see the watermark of the Mandela portrait. On the neck of the Mandela portrait, there's a 200 denomination highlighted.
The Central Bank of Swaziland in October last year issued a statement to the effect that the 200 note we're talking about is a true legal tender in the country. As to why businesses are not accepting this money still remains a mystery when the central bank has confirmed it is a true tender in the country. Mbongwa Ngumalo with Mbongwa Dube in Babane.